Hello everyone. Warm welcome to all of you to our My Schneider Consultant Designers and Engineers program, a world-class program designed exclusively for you. Let me first thank all of you for accepting to be a part of this prestigious program, and we at Schneider truly appreciate this. Schneider Electric is the global specialist in energy management and automation. We are very proud to be a growing technology company providing energy and automation digital solutions for efficiency and sustainability for our customers around the world while continuing our strong commitment to innovation. This is achieved through our IoT enabled world-class EcoStruxure platform across domains, which provide the latest design and commissioning tools and softwares. At Schneider, innovation in products, solutions, platform, processes is at the core. But together with innovation and engagement with our partners and stakeholders, it is our topmost priority. Consultants are technology drivers, and at Schneider Electric, we understand the importance of this community. We have been associated with you all for a very long time and have had the privilege of sharing our latest technology and innovations to market through your designs and by working very closely with you on many projects. This unique program will take our association to the next level. You will now have access to all the latest technical upskilling courses, application information, design support, and leadership engagement. As our esteemed partner, I would like to welcome you once again to this global program and assure you the best of our services and support. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.
Hello everyone. I hope you, your families, and your colleagues are safe and doing well. I'm connecting with all of you to invite you to join My Schneider Consultants, Designer and Engineers program. As you know, at Schneider Electric, it is our constant endeavor to keep you all posted with a lot of information on technology trend. At the same time, providing information on our innovative offer, which helps build a design which is more reliable, safer, and more efficient, but at the same time also sustainable. In this new electric world, it is our collective responsibility for you and for us to provide a solution to our end customer to meet their short-term and long-term sustainable goal. Our offers, as you know, MasterPack MTZ, Compact NSX, the future switchboard IEC certified, they are all testimony to our journey and our goal to provide the world-class solution to our customers. And you are pretty much integral part of it when we work together. In today's connected world, digitization is everywhere. So our design should adopt more digital offers to drive more efficiency. But at the same time, we need to make it very secure from a cybersecurity perspective. Our IoT-enabled platform EcoStruxure is one platform which meets this criteria. I would encourage you to join this program, and we promise you that we have a constant engagement to keep you posted on all the new developments in the world, which is helping to build this world a safer and at the same time more efficient and more sustainable. Make most of it, and we continue to remain engaged with all of you. Thank you in advance for joining this program, and I also want to wish you a very safe future. Stay safe.